Young people are complaining that it's still hard to get a job based on their address. State Minister in the Education Ministry, Alanda Terrelong, wants the practice to stop, even as he hits back at those who criticize call center jobs. More in this report.
Youth unemployment has declined to decades low, but some young persons are still struggling to find jobs because of where they live. Discrimination based on addresses has been a long-standing issue for many in the inner city. The State Minister in the Education Ministry, Alanda Terrelong, said he has heard the pleas.
Some young persons often indicate, but Minister, we have gone to the requisite schools, we have done the requisite programs, we have our certifications, we are qualified, which now makes us employable. But persons within the private sector, they still stigmatize us because of our civic address.
He insists the practice must not continue.
Do not turn your doors on youngsters because of their civic address. Do not determine that this person is not the right fit for your employment because of where they live, where they're coming from.
He was speaking at a Commerce Ministry function in Montego Bay recently. The second city is known for having some of the most violent communities in the country. Mr. Terrelong insists this should not be used to deny opportunities to young persons who live in these areas.
Do not say to someone, well, this resume doesn't look too good because this address here says Flankers, or this address here says Norwood. No, ladies and gentlemen, give that individual the interview and allow them to express themselves and allow them to convince you that they are in fact trainable, employable, and that they will make a difference in the growth and prosperity of your business also.
Meanwhile, he addressed an author and others who labeled call center work as dead-end or deadbeat jobs.
This author is absolutely clueless. This author has absolutely no idea what it means to have the young men and young women of Jamaica get up every single day, evening and night, and go to work. When I speak to the young men and women in Jamaica and they say to me, they say, MP or Minister or Mr. Terrelong, I have 3 CXCs, I have 4 CXCs, no one else would have employed me, but I now have a job in a call center. I am earning up to $60,000 per month.
Mr. Terrelong said many in call centers are earning more money than some persons in other private sector jobs. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.